Mayroon kami dito ang Valentine's card galing sa aming anak. Na si Baby. Si Baby Love Love Maria Aiki Keren. So, nandito sa front. Happy Valentine's. Walang Y. Pero, matik na yan. Mom and Dad, love you. Heart, then, love you, Mom and Dad.
Valentine's card.
So, basahin natin yung nilalaman ng kanyang puso. Oh, mayroon pa dito. I love you. I love you. So, ito na. Dear Mom and Dad, thank you, Mom, for always taking care and always protecting me. Even you're angry in me, still I love you. Dad, thank you for working for us, Mom, and protecting us too, Mom, and thank you for feeding us, son and Mom. And thank you, Mom and Dad, for having me. From your son, Aiki.
Ang lupit,
grabe
ang
naman.
lupit.
Sweet ng baby namin, guys.
Ang lupit
Ito kasi
niya.
yung baby namin. Kahit siya makulit, pero meron pa rin siyang pagmamahal sa amin as in na magulang niya.
Na-appreciate niya. At
Yeah,
na-appreciate din namin yung ginagawa
So
niya.
kahit yung ginagawa niya, mali-mali pa yung spelling, at least maintindihan, then readable naman yung ibig niya sabihin or understandable.
Naintindihan
Salamat
naman.
guys. And to you, Bibi. Mag-ano ka pa? Maging anak ka pa ng mabuting anak.
Parang iiyak ka na.
Tapos, basta wag ka lang maging pasaway. So, I love you too and happy Valentine's.
Parang iiyak ka.